We have one final trader to get to on our show, and that is Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot. Hello, Joel. What do you have for us today?
Thanks for having me, Angie. Today, I'm looking at ROKU. I think with all the recent market volatility, we've seen a lot of just real aggressive swings, both bearish and bullish here over the past week or so. Because of that, I'm looking at some names that I think have a lot of high vol mixed with the overall high vol in the market. And Roku's on my list for a bit of a pullback here.
What's your plan of attack on this stock?
Because volatility is so high in the overall market, looking at a VIX that's trading above 20, I think I want to sell some options. So I'm going to actually sell the 177.50 call and buy the 180 call that expires February 18th in Roku. My break even is 178.20. This gives me out until about Feb 18 to collect some premium here on a bit of a pullback. I think Roku, if the market continues to be volatile like this and even gets a little bit weaker here, I think I'll be able to get some pullback bearish directional plays here in Roku here in the short term.
Tell us more about what you think the options market is predicting for Roku.
Well, the options market right now is predicting that right now with volatility being so high, there is an expected move in the market, but that move cannot be predicted whether it's going to be bullish or bearish. And looking at options as having time expiration along with volatility can increase or decrease. The one thing that I like to do is when vol is high, I like to sell options because typically probability says that those options have the potential to expire worthless, and I keep the premium I collect. However, when vol is low, if I can find names that I think can potentially increase in value, then I like to buy some of those options if all the other stars align, if the narrative makes sense, because I think I can get a bigger risk reward for my buck.
Always good to have you here. Thanks, Joel.
Thanks for having me in.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.